everyone. Today, me and with the help of my friends made a small documentary on Goa. Hope all of you watching enjoy it.
The Usgalmir rock engravings belonging to the Upper Paleolithic or Mesolithic periods exhibit some of the earliest traces of human settlement in India. The Mauryan and Satavahana empires ruled modern day Goa during the Iron Age. During the medieval period, Goa was ruled by the Kadamba kingdom, Vijayanagara Empire, Bahmani Sultanate, and Bijapur Sultanate.
The Baga Beach, the most famous and happening beach of Goa, is known for beach parties, water sports, sunbath, etc. The largest beach, the Kalingate Beach, is known as the Queen of Beaches. The Basilica of Bom Jesus is a UNESCO World Heritage situated in Old Goa, known for the Baroque architectures in India. Fort Agada is an architectural marvel offering breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. The islands such as Choravo Island, Divar Island, Grand Island is known for the impeccable beauty. The Duksagar waterfalls is one of the most natural waterfalls of India.
Goans is the demonym used to describe the people native to Goa, who form an ethno-linguistic group resulting from the assimilation of Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Indo-Portuguese and Austroasiatic ethnic or linguistic ancestries. Goan Catholic women wear dresses or gowns, while Hindu women wear sari called Navwari. Other traditional costumes of Goan people are Pano Baju. Some of the Goan cuisine are Goan fish curry or sitti kodi. It is the staple diet of every Goan, making it a famous food of Goa. Second is the shark embotik. Embotik is a Portuguese influenced Goan food. Third is the chicken sargoti, consists of poppy seeds and Kashmiri red chilies. Fourth is the Goan pork vindaloo. It is said that this Goan food was previously called vindaloo, but because of the use of potatoes. Fifth is the sorpotel. Sorpotel is a famous food of Goa. Sixth is the feijoda. This dish is a stew of red beans and pork. Seventh is the sorak. Sorak is a simple vegetarian curry made especially during the monsoon season in Goa.
The major art forms of Goa include bamboo craft, food carving, brass metal, seashell craft, and wooden lacquer. Artisans mold brass into various designs and shapes. Some of them include hanging oil lamps, statue, candle stands, ashtray, etc. Wooden lacquer are flower pots, basket, pens, and etc. Fugdi and Dalo are the most common folk dances of Goa. Fugdi is a Maharashtra and Goa folk dance performed by women in the Konkan region during Hindu religious festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi and Vrata or Dalo is a popular ritual folk dance form. The dance is performed by women and serves as a prayer of protection for their households. Goa use instruments such as violin, drums, guitar, trumpets, and piano.
The Feast of Three Kings is one of the most popular festivals in Goa, celebrated during the month of January with a lot of dancing and music. The Goan Carnival is the most colorful and fun-filled event in the state during the month of February. The Shikmo is the biggest spring festival celebrated during March. It is a fusion of Carnival and Holi. The Sao Jao is among the most popular monsoon festivals in Goa, celebrated in June. It is celebrated with great fervor and pomp. Chikal is the most fun monsoon festival of Goa during July. It celebrates the games played by Krishna with his friends. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the biggest Hindu festivals in Goa during September. The intricately painted clay idol of Ganesha is worshipped during the celebration. Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus during December, is celebrated best in Goa.
To reach Goa, the railways are quite easy to reach Goa, as the major stations in Goa are located in Margova. The main railway station is known as the Madgova and the Vasco da Gama. The best time to visit Goa is from November to February. These are the wintermost months to visit Goa. It has the temperature about 21 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. The pleasant weather is perfectly is around the beaches of Goa. Bagmala Beach, Kolva Beach, Naveen Beach, Vasvoda Beach, Kavilosmi, etc. has the extremely beautiful places to which you can stay with your families and have comfortable and luxurious life.